Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I realized when I'm editing this video I did not have an intro and outro because I made this meal on Saturday, and Saturdays I don't film typically. Um, I don't, I told you all, I think, that I usually like to have one day during the weekend where I don't worry about my face, I don't worry about filming, I don't worry about anything like that. So Saturday was the day, but I wanted to share that meal with you. So today I'm going to share my recipe for steaks. You're going to hear Shelby playing with her toys. And crawfish pasta. So let's hop in. Let me give you a few little tips beforehand. Then I won't do a voiceover as I cook. Hold on. There. Okay, in the crawfish pasta, I use penne pasta. You may use any pasta of your choice. I also use 2 whole Serranos, including the seeds. If you do not like a kick and a little bit of spice, sometimes it gets spicy, you can take out the seeds, or you can jump down to a jalapeno and give you a similar flavor, and it's not going to be as hot. And then you choose to deseed them or not. I personally do not deseed our jalapenos or serranos because at this point we are adapted to the heat and we all kind of like it, like that kick. And then I use a block of cream cheese, a bell pepper and onion chopped, a stick of butter. I think I'm going to show that to you. I'm just not 100% sure, so I wanted to at least have it in the intro for you guys. And a pound, I think my favorite Crawfish Tails, which is Bernard's, comes in a 12-ounce package. If you happen to have a crawfish bowl and you have leftover crawfish, gather around a few people, have them help you detail and get the tail meat off of them, and then freeze them, and it works just as beautifully. I have done that as well, but it's still kind of early in the season to have a bowl, so I can get the frozen ones year round, especially here. I don't know elsewhere, but I know here in Texas, at least in my part of Texas, I can get frozen crawfish tails pretty much everywhere, from Walmart to Kroger to H-E-B. Price varies depending on the brand and the retailer, but it's still well worth it. In my steaks, I generally just put garlic, salt, black pepper on both sides, and then I sprinkle over Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce as they are coming to room temperature. I usually try to let that marinate a good 2 hours if possible, even longer. My husband keeps trying to remind me to, when I buy them, to go ahead and marinate them and stick them in the freezer. That way as they defrost, they can just marinate the whole time. But I don't know. I feel weird doing that. I don't know why. Excuse me. So that is that. This is one of our favorite tasty dinners. It makes a great special occasion dinner, like birthdays, Valentine's Day, anniversaries. I don't remember when I started trying to cook it. It might have been for Valentine's Day 2 years ago. I don't remember, but we have loved it and have it every few months, just because it's so good and it's rich. But I'll show you all the steps, and let's get into it.
Looking for a reason, driven by the heart, fighting for a season, with sadness fall apart. Tell me not to worry, tell me to be strong, be my true reminder of where my Let me take you higher, reaching for the sky, sitting by the fire. Here we are at last. We'll be cutting edge, make a brand new sketch. Fire in the hole, flipping hearts around. We'll be changing all that's wrong. And baby, hold on, bring it on. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the kinda quiet in my room right now without you. And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Know me. Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier.
Did that not look fabulous? Oh my gosh, I love it. I tend to get a small bowl of pasta and put, I slice up a few pieces of steak, probably about 4 or 5 bites of steak, and put on top. And then I have my garlic toast on the side, and it's so good. I would have loved to have had a Caesar salad with that. I just didn't pick it up at the store and didn't have the stuff to make it, so we did without. It was fine, but I definitely would toss that in too as a great suggestion to go along with it. Maybe some steamed broccoli, but it's perfect as it is personally. But you know, thanks you guys for watching another video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long.